Good afternoon, students. Today we are starting to our subject EVS. Okay, block number 4. So, student, in the last section, what we have seen, the jobs. Yes, the jobs. What I do. Yes. So today we are going to see my workplace. Means my workplace where I am teaching you. I am teaching in the school. So this is my workplace. Now, if from your family, where do your family members go? Your family members go to another place where they are doing the jobs. If somebody is like a teacher, doctor, or a policeman, so these are the uh, jobs that they do. And what is the workplace of them? If he is a doctor, he should go in the hospital only. So these are the some characters that these are the work of that people, that they have to go to their workplace. So in this section, what we will see, my workplace. What is this? My workplace. So what I am doing, students? I am what doing here? Where do I go to work? And what do you understand by the workplace? Now I have tell you some points that you can understand that where we have to go for our workplace. So what I am doing and where I have to go for to teach the students, where I have to go to school and my job is teaching. Yes. So this is my job, and for this I am going to the another place for which is called the workplace. If somebody is doing the job of a carpenter, somebody has, many people are doing many other jobs. Yes, like carpenter, doctor, teacher, policeman, gardener, sweeper. These are the jobs of the people. And where they have to go, this we will see in this we will see in this section. This what they are going for, where the workplace is there, that we will see in this section. What will be your job? Yes, what will be your job? You will be where we have to go for your workplace. Where you have to go, what your work is there? Your work is to understand what teacher is saying, and your workplace is what you are going for the school. Means that is your work. You are um, studying. So that is your duty. Yes, to study, that is your duty to do. And what where you are going? You are going for the school to where the workplace, means where that is not your work, but that is the place where you study. So this is your job, and that you have to do it properly. Okay. Now from this, what this is also some kind of work only, what you are also doing. So in this section, what we will see, the workplaces and the jobs of that people. So see, first year, teacher. So these are the jobs of some people. So these are the jobs of the people. Where teacher have to go? Teacher have to go to school. Where she have to go? She have to go to school. Then doctor, what should doctor do? He should go to the hospital. What is the work of the nurse? She looks after the patient. So where she have to also go? She have to also go to the hospital. Yes. After that, what is the work of the police? He should go to the, where he have to go? He should go to the police station. Where he have to go? He should go to the police station. After that, what is the job that the gardener do? He is doing the cutting the plants and all. So he have to go to the garden only. What is the work of the farmer? He have to grow the crops. So he have to grow to the farm. Where he have to go? He have to go to the farm. So what is the work of the carpenter? He should go to the workshop. Where he have to go? He have to go to the workshop only. Okay. So after that, firefighters means where some fire is there, so they have to go. The ringing bell, that understand that is a fireman or firefighters, they are going. So where they have to go? They have to go to the fire stations. Where they have to go? They have to go to the fire stations. Means these are the jobs of the people, and that is the workplace they have to go. So what will be the workplace of the gardener? That we have seen. That what is the name? What is the work of the farmer in the farm only? Carpenter, shop of workshop. Then firefighters, fire stations. Teachers, schools, hospital. These are the work of the jobs of the people and their workplace. So what is the means after that, what we'll do? We will see the sweepers. Yes. What is the work of the sweeper? What is the work of the sweeper? He have to sweep the roads and all. Yes. So what are their places where they work? Their workplace where we have to go to the gram panchayat or some else work. They have to go there and they have to see that sweeper have to go for the workplace. Usually they go to the office. From the where they have to first go to the office, and from there they have to go to the place where they have to work. Like they have to clean the gardens, then roads and colonies. They have to sweep. Where if somebody is saying that somebody have said that they have to work that in the colony you have to sweep all the roads and all. So this work is done by the sweepers, and their workplace where they have to go for the office, and then from there they will go for their work. Okay. So after that, we have seen that all the peoples of this, they are doing their jobs properly. These are the sweepers. These all things are there in this section. So in this, what we have seen, all the workplaces of the peoples. Okay students, do you understand this? Thank you.